To the most saddest part, the effect of lead poisoning is irreversible. It cannot be reversed. Water poisoned by lead due to illegal mining can cause deformity in unborn children, of which as a country, recently children born with deformity have increased in percentage. So boldly I can say that illegal mining that has caused water pollution is one of the main cause of these deformed children. Has it ever occurred to you that your child or your children may be part of the over 1.7 million children in Ghana estimated to have high blood lead level? Lead poison is acknowledged to be one of the widespread environmental hazards that affect children and pregnant women the most. The adults, however, are not exempted. And not forgetting the deadly health complications that are associated with lead poisoning. You are watching the Lab Doctors channel. Please kindly subscribe to our channel, like our videos, share, and then comment so that we can bring you more health education and information around the globe. According to UNICEF, lead poison is a global health issue that cannot be ignored. But in this video, I'm going to emphasize more on Africa, Ghana and then other African countries, considering the current water poison due to illegal mining or galamsey. And mind you, this is not only in Ghana, but the whole Africa is suffering from illegal mining, which has a dire consequences. And also, lead metal happens to be one of the poisonous chemicals detected in this poisoned water due to illegal mining or galamsey. Not only that, but we are also going to consider the severe several health complications that are associated with drinking poisoned water due to illegal mining or galamsey. Lead is a heavy metal that can be found in the soil and in the air due to some activities such as illegal mining, that is galamsey, lead acid batteries, emission of lead from industries and automobiles, just to mention few. There is an increased concern over adverse health effects caused by lead exposure. I know you are so eager to know the adverse health effect that lead exposure has on our health. So please kindly stay tuned. Do not go anywhere because there are a lot for you to know. Did you know that lead poisoning is mostly severe in children and in pregnant women, even though it also affects adults? If something is not done about the current situation of illegal mining or galamsey in Africa, and to be specific in Ghana, in the near future, our pregnant women are going to give birth to deformed children. And I don't think that as a country, we would want 50% of our newly born children to be deformed. Mining process generates a lot of waste and toxic chemicals byproducts such as lead, mercury, cyanide, nitric acid, and sulfuric acid that pollute our water bodies and also pose risks on our health and our environment. Drinking water poisoned by lead due to illegal mining can cause deformity in unborn children, of which as a country, recently children born with deformity have increased in percentage. So boldly I can say that illegal mining that has caused water pollution is one of the main cause of these deformed children. Now, let's look at how deformity in children are caused by lead poison. Note that lead can harm children even before they are born. Lead does that by attacking the stem cell of the child. So the stem cell is a cell that is responsible for differentiating and then developing into various organs in the body. And so if this main stem cell or hematopoietic is being attacked by lead, it can result into one or more organs not being developed well or underdeveloped or overdeveloped, causing numerous deformity in unborn children. Example, a child could be born without an eye, a child could be born with a cleft, a child could be born with one nose, a child could be born with deformed legs, a child could be born with deformed eyes, and all deformity that you can mention of. Not only that, lead can also cause nervous system dysfunction in children. And we all know how sensitive and important nervous system is to the human system. So it can affect an unborn child's spinal cord development, which can result into a lot of health complications. Lead poison can cause severe anemia, which can lead to neonatal jaundice. Lastly, lead poison in unborn children or children can cause cognitive diseases That is, it can lead to underdevelopment of the brain or other brain diseases. If you take water or food that is contaminated with lead, or if you're exposed to lead, it can cause a lot of harmful health effects due to its extensive accumulation in your spinal cord, in your teeth, in your brain, your skin, and muscles. Let's look at some health complications that are associated with lead poisoning in adults. There are a lot of health conditions that are associated with adults that are exposed to lead. It could be drinking water that has been poisoned with lead, eating food that has been poisoned with lead, or coming into contact with lead emission from industry or from automobiles. We have cardiovascular disease. So my big question here is there an increase of cardiovascular disease in Africa, or to be specific, in Ghana? Which is obviously yes. Neurological disease, reproductive disease. Yes, lead poison can cause a lot of reproductive disease, including infertility. So let's take note as we continue to pollute our water due to illegal mining or galamsey, just for few people to make money in their pocket for them and their family to enjoy in the expense of other people's health. It can cause infertility. And remember, infertility is one of the factors that can cause reduction in population. So as all Ghanaians are exposed to lead poison due to illegal mining or galamsey, if proper measures are not put in place to curtail this condition or this situation, there's going to be a time that infertility rates among the youth and Ghanaians is going to increase so much that our population will reduce drastically. Lastly, it can cause gastroenteritis and then renal disease. How is the condition of kidney disease currently in the country? Has it increased? Has it decreased? Of which it is an obvious yes that kidney disease have increased so much in the country, where even getting a dialysis for them has become a big problem. So where are we heading towards as a country? As it stands now, I can boldly say that at least 80% of Ghanaians have lead in their blood or in their tissue due to drinking or eating food that has been poisoned by lead due to illegal mining or galamsey. Someone will want to ask, is there any preventive method for lead poisoning, considering the deadly health complications it poses on our health? Yes, there are preventive methods or measures for lead poisoning, but the saddest part is that it involves the usage of water, of which we all are aware that currently the water bodies all over the country have been poisoned due to illegal mining. So where do we go to? Where do we start from? It is just so bad. To the most saddest part, the effect of lead poisoning is irreversible. It cannot be reversed. This is the Lab Doctors channel. Please kindly subscribe to our channel, like our videos, share and comment so that we can build this community together. Remember, your health is your wealth.